Mrs Reid, 1 minute and a half.
We in UKIP object both to the EU strategy on heating and cooling and the Commission's new energy market design. It is clear that the EU strategy on heating and cooling would be used to reinforce the disruptive EU energy and climate policy that has already brought irreparable damages to the European industry and economy. With regard to the new energy market design, we oppose the implementation of the third energy package in all member states. The disaster of the EU overcommitment to unreliable, intermittent and hugely expensive renewables has now made clear that the EU climate policies have done far more economic damage than anything that could be envisaged as a result of climate change. They have forced up prices, undermined competitiveness and driven energy-intensive industries out of the EU altogether, taking their jobs and investment with them. The UK, as an independent country, will soon be free to choose how to make its own energy policy and to exploit and invest in lower costs, reliable energy sources like coal, gas and nuclear. Thank you.